Ezekiel Dachomo of Plateau State is crying that his people in Plateau are being killed. And Sheikh Gumi, you said that the people they buried in Plateau State are empty caskets. Please follow me. Just follow me. Now, this is Benue State. This is Benue State. This is Benue State. Please follow me. This is Benue State. Take a look at this. Take a look at this. This is the burial site for 73 victims of Fulani herdsmen genocide in Benue State. Guma and Logo local government. Date of attack, 1st and 2nd of January 2018. They were buried here 11th of January 2018 by the Khan in Benue State. And yet, Khan, federal Khan, you said that there's no genocide of Christians. Look at this. It is Khan, Benue State, that did this for remembrance of the souls. Take a look at this place. Sheikh Gumi, you said you were empty grave sites. So I challenge you also come to Benue State. Come and open these graves. Come and open them. Look at them in their numbers. Even the one for children are here. Take a look. This is the burial site for 73 victims of Fulani herdsmen genocide in Benue State. Guma and Logo local government. 1st and 2nd of January, when people were shouting Happy New Year, in their sleep, all these people were murdered. Take a look. Just take a look. All these things you are seeing here are graves. Because of the bush, I cannot go closer. But all these are graves. And you said they are empty caskets. Come and open them, Sheikh Gumi. To the graves of these people. Sheikh Gumi, you came and you spat on the graves of these people. And you said they are empty caskets. As Ezekiel Dachomo has challenged you to come openly and excavate the grave, I also challenge you to come to Benue State. Come here. Let us dig this place to see if human beings were not buried. On that day, we were all gathered. The youths of Benue State, in their thousands, wearing black and black. The coffins came with big motors, and all the coffins were flies gathering around them. And you said there were no human beings inside. God will judge you, Sheikh Gumi. God will judge you, Sheikh Gumi. Thank you so much, Dr. Pastor Paul Eleche, Ezekiel Dachomo, for speaking out. As you are speaking out, the Lord will bless you. Look at it. This is the burial site for 73 victims of Fulani herdsmen genocide in Benue State. Look at it. And Sheikh Gumi, you came outside to spit on the graves of these people. You came to spit on the graves of these people. God will judge you.
Igbo. Akuna afugia na yesoro na Nigeria. That nothing for us. All the Igbo politicians, all our senators, Enugu, Abia, Ebonyi, Anambra, Imo. So unu no. A sentence one okay to life imprisonment. 7 count charges. The issue of Fuonye. Man, no proof to back one of those count charges up. Justice Omoto Foishi Kogenana Oge. Because you are being promised $15 million and houses to any place of your choice. Promise you all ye well. So there is no Igbo billionaire or Igbo politician that have an influence to stop the prosecution. Mazi Nnamdi Kanu. So there is no Igbo clergy. There is no Igbo church leader. There is no Igbo religious leader that can stand out. All our religious leaders, all the Igbo Southeastern governors, all the Igbo Southeastern senators, all the Igbo's House of Representative member. Today in a court, no source of Fuoye. And I watched that man talking. He was talking very, very carefully. Because even when he wanted to direct that Mazi Nnamdi Kanu has not committed a crime which only other person has committed, the justice started attacking him. That he should mind how he's talking. Now, our Igbo governors have sold their conscience. Governor Kenugubu Pitamba, Iba APC because of interest. Piawa one workers, a year 250 billion. All the House of Rep member ban 500 million. 100 million. All the senators, 500 million. And the Tinubu have been giving you people what you people think you people need. Money you get made. So all the southeastern governors who now no ga Thomas and Namo de Kanunga Ngabukwa forever and ever until Mbasionu. Kedi Mazi Nnamdi de Kanu me asari tokobone me lube asari tokobone me ro. Kedi Mazi Nnamdi de Kanu meru. Fulani henchman in Emebeho. Moreover, Mazi Nnamdi de Kanu is not a terrorist. He's a freedom fighter. Kedi Mazi Nnamdi de Kanu meru. Ndi Boko Haram unemero. The high rate of insecurity in Oboda. Mazi Nnamdi de Kanu. Kedi Mazi Nnamdi de Kanu meru. Our leaders are in Ebundoshi. Right from the military regime, military era, down to this point of the regime of Bola Ahmed Tinubu. If a certain president can travel to United States of America to go and promise them that he will give them how many million or billion of US dollars for them to wipe his crime charges that is recorded in US away, out. What next? If they can give you 250 billion, 250 billion. If but APC to enter APC, what next? Who knows how much that was given to Southeastern governors, senators, House of Rep members, all the Igbo political appointees, for them to keep silent? You can imagine where we have Igbo billionaires. Hey, hello, I'm ashamed of you people. And when you do position, you people are here, are there because of selfish interests. A problem of an Igbo man is an Igbo man. So nobody is safe. Ndi shuka inine, ndi na ye forcha, ndi na yu wenwuda. Ndị na-ekpu okpu, ndị na-anọchite anya ya kpụrụ meeting national kita unu ncha niile, ma ndị Catholic, ma ndị Anglican, ma ndị Methodist, ma ndị Selemens, ma ndị Pentecostal, ma ndị White Garment Church, unu ncha niile agaba. No wonder this anomaly bụ primates ji wee na-preach we see that Igbo man is the problem of this country. No wonder he has been earlier informed that Mazi Nnamdi Kanu will be jailed or he will be killed. This man, what they wanted to do is to sentence this man to death by hanging. With evidence. Before he prove one man to be a terrorist. Step 1, step 2, step 3, step 4. If you don't provide any of those things to back your allegations up, which means you have not proven, that person has not been proven guilty. All our Igbo billionaires say, all our Igbo politicians, Akuno de. The tears of Mazi Nnamdi Kanu will never be swept under the carpet. You people will benefit from it. Both you people, both your children, both your children. Karma will visit all of you. You people will suffer. Shame, pain, sickness will befall your household. And none of you will escape the judgment of God. You think everything ends here in this life. What will you will ask yourself is, where is Yaradua? Where is MKO Abiola? Where is Ifa Yoba? All these prominent men that have died, where are they? Where is the former governor of Anambra State? Where is Chukwuma Chedibe? Where is Okezia? Where is Anyo Gueze? Senator Anyo Gueze the late. And I name you, but I name no one bubaye. na ya man rapo wa. Tinubu, how many years more can you will be no wa? Why are you so wicked and so heartless? Even the federal government is projecting that Mazi Nnamdi Kanu will be sentenced to death. Even that is the agenda of the Federal Republic of Nigeria, the federal government. And Igbo politicians are very good friends. They are loyal to these people. They don't want to be implicated. If you say anything that is against their decision, which means you want to be embarrassed, maybe you are holding one political office or the other. And we call ourselves brothers. This guy has been suffering. His mother and his father have died. He has sacrificed a lot for Igbo, for Igbo's freedom. Hey! Hey! Obiabawam. What has Mazi Nnamdi Kanu done that Tinubu has not done, that Shetima has not done, that Godswill Abobie, the senior president, have not done? What have Mazi Nnamdi Kanu done that Tompolo have not done? All these terrorists that they are calling for negotiation, that is having bullets, that is having ammunition all over their body. Charms! Oh God. Why this wickedness? You justice that decided to sell your conscience to uphold this judgment. Igbo land, your father's land, everywhere on this earth has cost you. Pain is coming to your household. Shame. You will benefit from your wickedness. Your children and your children's children. So-called justice Omotofushik or what do you call yourself? Shame will crush you. Pain will crush you. Sickness will crush you. Your wickedness is too much. Are you the only justice in Nigeria? But other justices refuse to take up this assignment for them to be free from law of karma. But you as a justice decided to take it. But you will suffer. You will pay. You will pay. You will pay. The day of your agony is fast approaching. And any other politician, any other Igbo prominent man, any other Igbo politician, any other Nigerian politician, Hausa or Yoruba, as many as you are that involved yourselves in this game, the table will turn upside down against you people. God will arise for the sake of the Igbos. God will arise for the sake of Mazi Nnamdi Kanu. You people will die painfully. Shame will catch all of you. Disgrace is coming to your household, all of you. Wickedness is too much. You people will suffer. You people will suffer. You the workers of iniquity, shameless, wicked leaders. God will punish all of you.